Hey folks, Bill Durant here. Are you tired of watching videos like this asking you to come to an event and then it becomes a 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 day pitch fest to sell you a $20,000 program? Yeah, I know. I've been there. I've done that. I've spent so much time, wasted so much money. So I'm going to do things a little different. I'm holding a 2-day event, 90 minutes each day, for a program I call eBay Gold Rush Accelerator, based on my book, eBay Gold Rush, Strike It Rich as a Power Seller. And yes, I am and have been a eBay top-rated power seller for years. I'm going to take you through the entire coaching program that I have, the course. It's 9 modules. So day 1, we're going to cover half. Day 2, we're going to cover the other half. And at the end of those 2 days, you're going to have access lifetime to the program itself, every single module, and the recordings of both days in case you missed something or you need to go back and reference. I just want to change things up and be more transparent. And I'm not going to pitch you on anything else in the 2-day event. I do offer coaching programs for groups and for individuals, but I'm not going to even talk about that right now. I want you to see how I do things, see how thorough it is, and actually see what you're getting when you're paying for it. You're investing $497 for this 2-day event with me, your host, Bill Durant, eBay Gold Rush author. I'm excited. Don't worry, it's not going to be a pitch fest. What you see is what you get. Come and join me. Click the link below or that way or up top. I don't know where it's at, but click it, join it, and I'll see you there.